Nose takeoff. Nose takeoff. Nose takeoff.
Hang her, she'll come back, and then maybe we'll go get something to eat.
Here.
In the open. Alright, sounds good.
Cabin.
Otherwise, she said she'd cook something for us, but I don't know, we need that.
TCAS system test, okay.
Wide slope. Pull up. Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear. Terrain. Terrain. Pull up.
Spaceflight 4, Hayward Tower, enter a midfield left downwind, correction, enter a left base for runway 28 left, report full pause.
Report full pause, enter left base, runway 28 left, Spaceflight 4.
Epic 9er Foxtrot November, stay parked.
Absolute arrow.
Epic 9er Foxtrot November, turn right at Delta, cross runway 28 right, contact ground point 4.
Alright, right on Delta, we'll cross the parallel and then call ground 9er Foxtrot.
Hayward Tower, moving November 6, 9er 7 Papa, Dublin, 2100. Landing full stop with Foxtrot.
Runway 697 Sierra Papa, Hayward Tower, enter a correction, enter right base for runway 28 left, traffic ahead of you, 3 miles, southbound, Cherokee.
7 Sierra Papa, right base, 28 left, looking for the traffic.
Cessna 2 Alpha Charlie, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option, 962 Alpha Charlie.
Cherokee 45 Bravo, number 2, following a Cessna turning right base, runway 28 right, clear for the option. Correction, clear to land.
Number 2, following a Cessna on right base, the visual pro contact device, information Foxtrot. Hayward Tower, information Foxtrot, time 19500, wind 290 at 7, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 272.13, altimeter 2990, the visual approaching you, landing and departing runway 28, on initial contact device, information Foxtrot.
Just plug in on that one, see what's there. Around some around and I think birds and stuff,
That's a 10.46 X-ray here, ground taxi to the wash rack via Alpha.
I did
Current clearance, Falcon 9. Bravo Kilo with information. Foxtrot, like to pick up my clearance to Charlotte, please.
Clearance on request, monitor ground 121.4.
Monitor ground 1.4.
Alright, I think this. Hey, Philip, have you got the extra one?
37
I think I
Sierra
put-
Papa,
I put it on right here.
number 2, following
Yeah,
the
it's not showing up. Hey,
Cessna
Barry.
off your right, runway 28
There it is.
left, clear 2 left.
Alright.
7 Sierra Papa, cleared to land. 28 left, following the Cessna.
What else?
That's it. Just waiting on the boss.
What did they give you? Did
Safe
they
flight
give
for
you
the
Virgin
tank back for
Direct?
touchdown.
They haven't given it to me yet. I know it's really, I know it's really ambitious.
Airport.
To land number 2, following
Green
Cherokee
Bank.
short.
Okay.
So let's see. You never know.
28 right, cleared to land.
Hayward Tower,
down to Star 379er
Delta Sierra. Holding short, 28 left at Alpha, ready for right crosswind departure. Cessna 275, runway 28 right, line up and wait. Correction, disregard.
This is 275, hold position, hold position.
Holding position, 275.
45 Bravo, turn right at Delta, contact ground point 4.
Right, Delta for ground, 45 Bravo.
Delta Charlie, extend down when we'll call your base.
Extend down when you call my base, back to Delta Charlie.
Hayward Tower, Skyhawk 2x4 Echo Kilo, 6 miles southeast. Inbound for the option, we have information far south. Baselight 4, turn left to Delta, contact ground point 4. Left turn, contact ground point 4, baselight 4. Hayward ground, Warrior 45 Bravo, to the right, Delta, go to Keller. Safety 45 Bravo, you're still on tower, contact ground 121.4. 214, 45 Bravo. Hayward Tower down to Star 379er Delta Sierra, holding short, 28 left at Alpha, ready for right crosswind departure. Star 379er Delta Sierra, Hayward Tower, hold short, runway 28 left. Hold short, 28 left, 379er Delta Sierra. Cessna 3 Papa Victor, change, runway 28 left, runway 28 left, clear 2 lanes. Clear for left, Papa Victor. Cessna 2 Alpha Charlie, turn base, disregard.
Continue back to Delta Charlie.
Delta Charlie, turn base, traffic will hold position, Cessna.
Turn your base, Delta Charlie.
Cessna 275, runway 28 left, line of white, traffic turning extended base, Cessna. 275, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 28 right.
That's 35 Victor, traffic off your right side, turning base, hotel runway, Cessna.
Oh, inside. Papa Victor.
2 Alpha Charlie, traffic head into your left on final for hotel runway, Cessna. 7 Sierra Papa, turn right at Echo, contact ground point 4.
Right echo, ground point 4, 7 Sierra Papa.
275, runway 2 at right, clear for takeoff, right crossing approved.
Right crossing approved, to a right, to stand by, clear for takeoff.
MSR 9er, Delta Sierra, right crossing approved, runway 2 at left, no delay, clear for takeoff.
No delay, clear for takeoff, 28 left, right crosswind departure, 9 Delta Sierra.
They're at 254 Kilo, calling.
Disregard, we're going to head back tomorrow, so you guys are too busy.
4 Kilo, we're not too bad. What did you want?
On one landing and followed by left downwind back
For about a minute. 4 Kilo, enter right base, runway 28 left.
right base, runway 28 left, 254 Echo Kilo.
That's a 2 Alpha Charlie, runway 2 at right, clear for the option.
Runway 28 right, clear for the option. 562 Alpha Charlie.